All right, the market started with the buyers taking control of the market. They started with the first two candles, although the first one was a sell, and then they took it up to this particular level, which is a resistance level. And then this is the big account, and here we can see I entered in a trade because it was a sell. So I'm just setting my risk level with that, and the market came up to my entry point and was still pushing. And looking at the big account, we can see there is a pullback from the 5-minute chart. And then with my strength, currency strength indicator telling me that the market is pushing up, which is the New Zealand dollar is going up and the Japanese yen should be going down. So people are buying the New Zealand dollar at this point. And the market moved up to a significant level of resistance. Now looking at the 1 hour chart, the market moved right from this bottom here and it moved all the way to the top, and now it's coming down. That's what we saw in the 1 minute, what we're looking at in the 1 minute chart. So the sellers are coming back down again, they are pushing it back down. And the buyers are coming back in. They're trying to come back in, but they don't have enough strength. And then later on, they came back in again and they started pushing the market up. And now there's a struggle. Okay, now what happened here is there was a news that came out from Australia that had to do with the cash rate, which is like interest rate for us here in North America. And so the interest rate, they were speculating it was going to be 0.75%. That's 25% lower than the actual number, but when the news came out, it was the same. It was the same as a 1%, which is the previous value for the cash rate. So in other words, their interest rate did not drop; it's still the same. So it kind of like brought in a positive light into the market, or positive news into the market. That's why we can see this huge candle up that went all the way up. So that's what happened with this candle. And right now it's just hanging at the top here. It's not fully coming down, it's not fully going up, and this is not a good place to enter in a trade because you don't know what's going to happen. The better place to get into a trade is if this really comes all the way down to a support level, then you can take in the trade from there. But since it's just at the top here, there's no point getting into the trade. So I did not take any trade after this incident. So I was just monitoring the market and seeing what's going on with the market. And so far, for the entry I had, because I had an entry since yesterday, the previous day, like a swing trade, because this was supposed to be the training for today, swing trading. So I just wanted to use this trade that you could swing trade using this strategy, and that strategy gave me over $19,000.